Dear students, we shall see a new problem in Tally ERP9 today. Yes, this is the problem. Please listen. Prabha started the business with rupees 2,40,000. Salaries paid 15,000. Wages paid 6,000. Cash paid to Vijay Devarakonda 21,000. So we have to analyze this. In every transaction, there must be two accounts. So in the first transaction, cash is bringing by Prabhas in the form of capital. Cash is bringing by Prabhas in the form of capital. Clear. So cash comes, cash account comes, as well as Prabhas account comes in the first transaction. In the second transaction, salary is paid. So salary is paid in the form of cash. So salaries account and cash account comes. And wages paid. So wages account and cash account. And cash paid to Vijay Devarakonda. So Vijay Devarakonda should be debited. So he is getting the benefit from the cash. So Vijay Devarakonda debit, cash is going out, credit. So in this, Vijay Devarakonda and cash comes. This is a brief analysis of the problem. So now let us jump into the Tally ERP9 and create the company of Prabhas. And then we have to create the ledgers. Okay. Yes, wait for time. So we have to go to, home, desktop, Tally ERP9. Yes. Wait for some time. Yeah. Now click on work on educational mode. Here we have to create a company, new company on the name of Prabhas. So go to F3. Here is F3. So click on F3 and here create company. Yes. Prabhas. Form అంటున్నాను just form or Prabhas proprietary ship or simply we may put Prabhas. Okay. So he's the sole proprietor. So Prabhas sole proprietary ship. Enough. Okay. Prabhas is enough. Yes. Enter and address Nampalli. Nampalli. Enter near BIE office. Office. Okay, enough. We may enter full address. Okay, next. Country is India. State, Telangana. Enter. Next, pin code number. You take 500090. Next. These are the imaginary figures. Dear students, these are the imaginary figures. So you may enter as you like. And phone number, enter. Mobile number, enter. Fax number, enter. Email, email. Prabhas @gmail.com. Enter. And website www.prabhas.india or .com. Enter. enter, 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 enter. This is rupee. Yes, accept. Yes. Prabhas. See here, we have created the Prabhas company. It is showing in the bold. So, till now we have not created any vouchers. We have done any vouchers. We have not done any vouchers. Yes. So, see, okay, listen to me. In Tally, there are mainly three steps. One is company creation. The second is ledger creation. The third is vouchering. That's it. Clear? So, see this. So, in the Tally, these three are the main steps. Company creation, ledger creation, and vouchering. So just now we have created the company. So now let us go to the creation of the what? Creation of ledgers. So for ledger creation, yes. See in the interface, see, is there any create the ledger? No. So escape, press on escape. 1 minute. Escape. Okay. Okay. As soon as we press on escape, we can see this kind of interface. So in this, to create the ledger, very simple. Go to accounting info, go to accounting info, click on it, go to ledgers, click on it, and create ledger, create. Now one by one, we have to create the ledgers. First, Prabhas. So Prabhas, Prabhas is under capital account because he is the owner and he is bringing the capital. So his name should be saved under capital account. Okay? Yes, yes. What is this? Why this is coming? Okay. Yeah. So again, this is coming. I am dragging this to side. Yes. Now, yes, one ledger is created and create another one. Now, see the problem. See the problem. In this problem, so Prabhas created and cash should be created. So we have, as we have learned in the previous classes, cash and profit and loss account, these two ledgers are by default existed. We need to create cash and salaries, create the salaries. So salaries, enter, salaries under indirect expenses. Indirect expenses. Salaries should be saved under indirect expenses. Yes, saved. Next. Next, see the problem. In this problem, salaries and cash is by default in the software, and wages should be created in the ledger. So wages under direct expenses, not indirect, direct expenses. So wages are the direct expenses. Yes. So enter. Next, next what? See, Vijay Devarakonda, cash. We need not to create the cash. There are four caches here and here. Need not to create the cash account because cash account by default existed in the Tally software. So last one is Vijay Devarakonda. Vijay Devarakonda. So Vijay Devarakonda should be saved the Vijaya Devarakonda. Yes, yes, he is the. Is he debtor or creditor? We have to analyze. We have to analyze. See this. Cash paid to Vijaya Devarakonda. We have paid. We have paid to Vijaya Devarakonda. So previously we have purchased something from Vijaya Devarakonda. So Vijaya Devarakonda is the sundry creditor to us. Now we are paying the amount to him. So Vijaya Devarakonda should be saved under sundry creditor. In the tally, Vijaya Devarakonda should be saved under sundry creditor. Okay? So because of sundry creditor, we are paying the cash to him. Clear? So go to tally. Yes, here Vijay Devarakonda under sundry creditor. Sundry creditor. Enter. Yes, enter, enter, enter. There. So now ledgers are over. Ledgers are clear. Yeah. See, now display the ledgers. See, we have created 4 ledgers and 2 are by default in the Tally software. Cash and profit and loss account. By default, we have not created profit and loss account just now. And also we have not created the cash. But by default, they are existed in the Tally software. We have created Prabhas, we have created salaries, we have created Vijay Devarakonda and wages. Clear? And now shall move to the next one. Next one. What is that? Next one. Vouchering. Vouchering. So I'm going back. For vouchering, gateway of tally, masters, accounting vouchers, under transactions, accounting vouchers. We have to go to accounting vouchers. Very simple. Okay? Accounting vouchers. Yes, one by one we have to enter. First one, we have to select whether it is payment or receipt. First transaction, see the first transaction. Prabha started the business with rupees. Kada? Prabha started the business with rupees 2,40,000. So this is the receipt because we are receiving the amount from Prabhas. So we have to select the receipt in this. See, receipt. We have to select. Now it is the receipt voucher is selected. Receipt voucher is selected. Yes. So next cash. Then Vijaya Devarakonda amount 2,40,000. Enter. 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 Here, being the business is started with, being the business is started with rupees 2,40,000. Yes, this is the narration. Enter. Over. First transaction is over. Next. What is the next transaction? The salaries paid. Salaries paid. Yes. Shall salaries paid. How much amount? 15,000. Salaries paid. So it is not the receipt. It is the payment. So we have to select the payment voucher. We have to select the payment voucher. Yes. So cash, enter. And for salaries, we have paid. Okay. And oh, sorry, go back. Amount Amount 15,000. Enter. Again enter. Yes. Being the salary is paid. Okay. Enter. Enter. Okay. Saved. Already saved. Two transactions are over. Now we shall go to the next transaction. Wages paid. Wages paid. So this is also payment receipt. Payment voucher. Payment voucher. So go to tally. Payment voucher. We are in the payment voucher. First cash. Enter. Wages. Enter. Amount. How much amount? Yes, wages 6,000. 6,000 rupees. Enter. Being the wages paid. Yes. Enter. Over. Last one. Uh, Cash paid to Devarakonda. Vijay Devarakonda. Okay. Cash paid to Vijay Devarakonda. So go to tally. Yes, this is also payment voucher. So in this cash paid to Vijay Devarakonda and Vijaya Devarakonda. Yes, amount. How much amount? Amount is 21,000. 21,000. So yeah, 21,000. Yes, enter. Over. So we have done vouchering. So in this problem, we have seen company creation, ledger creation, and vouchering. So go back. So by clicking the escape, we may go back. Okay, go back, go back. Now see accounting information. In accounting information, we have created ledgers. In accounting vouchers, we have entered the amounts in the vouchers. Now reports. We can see the reports of our firm. For example, if you want to see the profit and loss account, this is the profit and loss account. See, direct expenses 6,000, indirect expenses also 15,000. See, 21,000 about like this. Yeah. Okay. Gross loss, net loss. So in a single click, we can see the profit and loss account. And in the same manner, we may see the balance sheet. See, this is the balance sheet. Capital account, loans, and here current liabilities. Here current assets, profit and loss account 21,000 like this. So we can see the balance sheet with a single click. So this is a brief, a little problem, a basic problem of the tally. In further problems, we shall learn more aspects. Okay, with this, I conclude the class. Thank you. Thank you all. We shall meet in another video.